Ooh, hang on. I'm gonna shut up for this road. This is a fun road. Woohoo! I call it the miniature tail of the dragon. That's really kind of all there is to it. That's basically it. But boy, is it twisty. Whee! Whee! I really hope the modification I made to the audio recording pays off. I'm taking a huge risk with the way the audio is set up on this route. This could all just come around and bite me hard in the butt. Yeah, I could have made it. I could have made it, but I didn't know if that Hyundai up ahead was going to gun it too, so whatever. It's a beautiful day. I don't even mind sitting here. It's nice. I smell fish. Oh no, it's the Bradford pears. Okay, never mind. Yo, wherever you live, do you have those Bradford pear trees that bloom white in the spring and smell like fish? I don't know what it is. Maybe it's just me. Maybe I'm insane. But to me, Bradford pear trees in the springtime, they just smell like fish. Is there something in my shirt? No, that's just my zipper. I'm just being paranoid. Alright, so, like, story time for a sec. Once upon a time, I was riding around and I had just I don't remember what it was exactly, but I had on a jacket and it was a pretty warm day, so I had it zipped halfway down, like I've got mine kind of right now. And just, like, I got smacked with a few bugs here and there, and I'm like, alright, whatever, that's fine. I've been hit with worse, whatever. But then, like, all of a sudden, like, my chest started burning. I was like, ow. 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 And, like I just kept feeling like little burns all over little parts of my chest. And I'm like, what the hell is going on? So I pulled over and, like, ripped my, like, didn't rip, but I pulled my shirt open and a dang horsefly flew out. And I looked down and there were like 12 bright red bite marks all over my chest and belly. It sucked, which, hang on. I thought I had learned my lesson when that had happened. I'm zipping up my jacket all the way. Screw that noise. Nothing will ever beat being bit by a spider on my way out from the house, though. So this time, I had set my jacket down, just kind of on, I have a little, like, table outside that whenever I go around and go to do work on the car or on the bike, I'll, like, set my tools down there. But I set my jacket down, went down to the shed, got the bike, put the jacket on, turned on the bike, got my helmet all set, got my gloves on, got all of about half a mile away from the house, and just felt shooting pain in my right arm, originating from it felt like a bite or a sting. It felt like a wasp sting, only maybe a little bit more intense. Like it had a bit of a burning sensation to it. It really sucked. And I smacked wherever I felt the pain, pulled over, and took off my jacket and looked, and there was a huge red welt on my arm. And fortunately, it wasn't from a particularly venomous spider, but it still hurt. It hurt like hell. And for the next week or two, for the next week, I had a huge bruise that was about maybe almost 10 inches in diameter, just emanating from that point on my arm, and that sucked. So, yeah. Moral of the story. wear your gear if for no other reason than to defend yourself from Mother Nature, because, ooh, that bitch is crazy. Anyways, thank you for coming to my TED Talk. I'm gonna go ahead and focus on the road ahead. Enjoy listening to the sweet, sweet notes of the Svartpilen 401. If you like this video, go ahead and leave it a thumbs up. If you want to chat, go ahead and leave a comment. And for more content, go ahead and subscribe and ring the bell for notifications. Well, that was fun. I know I'm no Rossi, but that was still fun.